Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do a video about me and my company and just share with you what that looks like and how many years we've been in the industry and whatnot. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So today it's going to be all about me. This video, try to keep it short and sweet, but you know, if you want to know, stay tuned. So currently it's 2020, summer 2020. I'm going to start off with my experience in the industry. So I've been in the industry since 1999. My father was a master carpenter and general contractor, aka GC. I worked from him from when I graduated high school all the way through into my 20s. We ended up kind of parting ways. Got a few jobs and kind of found my passion in tile in the 2010s. And worked for a few companies, learned the trade as thorough as possible, and then I ended up going into business myself in the end of 2015, early 16, and we've been going strong ever since then. So I grew up working for my father in the summers. Ever since I was 14, I pretty much worked with him, and he taught me the whole trade of carpentry, you can say. So anything in the house, residential wise, carpentry, I more than likely have done it. We did tile from time to time, but I really didn't find the passion in it until I see my buddy Sal on YouTube there in the early 2010s, and that got me back into it. Really found my passion because I'm kind of very particular, meticulous with things. People kind of say that. I just make sure things are done correctly, and you know, every little thing I'm kind of I get a little bit crazy. Sometimes I get called a perfectionist, which could be a good and bad thing. But you know, I essentially do the job to my best abilities on every single project and make sure that not only is the client happy with it, is you know that I'm happy with it. When you set tile properly, I mean that's literally a lifelong thing that shouldn't ever have a problem. You know, the lifespan of tile when installed correctly, it's about up to about 50 years. So I mean, obviously you have to regrout at some point, but when done correctly, that's what you know. That's what you're going to get out of it. That's how much time that we're talking here. So currently like I said earlier, I started in the business in industry 99, and I literally devoted my life to this industry. So I really have a passion for it. I love doing it, and I'm here to serve clients in the best possible way that I can. I'm the owner and installer of the company. At some point in the future, I'll probably fade out of the field. But for now, you know, when you hire me and my company, I'm going to be there on the job site every day. So if that's important to you, great. But I would say that sometime in the future, I will have installers working for me. I'll be kind of behind the scenes, doing videos like this or just marketing in general to try to be able to reach clients like yourself and help get your project done and done right. My philosophy is this, okay? Doing things right the first time is a hell of a lot less expensive than doing them twice. Do things right the first time, you won't ever have a problem. Use the proper materials, take your time, make sure things are done properly. It's really important. So what else can I talk about myself here? Well, I could go on and on for days. I'll keep it short for you guys. I'm a family man. I got 2 kids. Currently my son's 5, my daughter's 2. So you know, when I'm not working in the field and working on my business, which is most of my life for the most part, I'm usually hanging out with my family. We're going somewhere, doing something. My wife always loves to plan things, so we go out and enjoy life. And you know, my son loves fishing. As long as myself, we like to do some bass fishing, so we actually all go out in the boat and enjoy some fishing. Usually about once a week, sometimes twice, depending how my schedule looks. So I like to enjoy myself, you know. Work is my life. My family comes before anything, even my own business, everything. So you got family first, business number 2. So whatever they need, I'm gonna make sure that it's done. I could be there and then take care of business afterwards. That's really, really important to me. Family is number 1. So what else could I talk about myself? Well, like I said, my father is a master carpenter. Well, was a master carpenter, general contractor. His father before was actually architect. So when you think about it, I'm actually 3rd generation in this type of construction industry. Feel comfortable, 100% confident that when you hire someone like myself and my company that, you know, things are going to be done properly because we care. I'm a 3rd generation generation, you can say, in this industry, this field. You know, it's been able to support my family and for generations now, and it's kind of in our blood. That's what we do. And that's about it for today. I really appreciate you guys tuning into my About Me video. I can go on and on for days like I was saying before, but I'm trying to keep this short and sweet. If there's anything that I can help you with whatsoever, feel free to give me a call. Even if I can't do your project, maybe you're out of state, whatever it is, fine, give me a call. I'm here to help you in any way, shape, or form. That's about it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next video.